Okay, so our problem is number 4. And in this circuit shown, we have a real battery with an EMF of 6 volts and with an internal resistance of 2 ohms. And that is inserted between points A and B right here. And what is the voltage difference between points A and B is what our goal is. And to start off, since all these sets of resistors are in parallel with each other, you can condense them into 3 resistors. And to do that, you can add A and B. 1 over 44 plus 1 over 77 ohms gives you 28 ohms. And then C and D, which would be 1 over 56 ohms plus 1 over 140, gives you 40 ohms. And then E and F would be 1 over 55 plus 1 over 66 equals 30 ohms. So then that gives you the 3 resistors, A, B, E, F, C, D, with the following resistances.
Okay, so now that we have this picture right here, we know that, well, we can see that all the resistors A, B, E, F, and C, D are all in series. So therefore, we know we can combine the resistors into one full resistor just by adding the resistance together. So we add 28 ohms, 40 ohms, and 30 ohms, and get 98 ohms, and that gives us this picture, which is the resistor, the equivalent resistance of A, B, C, D, and F, all combined into one of 98 ohms. And then we added in the resistor given the problem of 2 ohms. That's also in series. We're told it's in series. Add that to 98 and we get 100 ohms. And then we're given the voltage of the battery, which is inserted here, in series with the resistor, which is equal to 6 volts.
And so in order to find the current through all the pieces of it, we do voltage over resistance. And you know it's the same current because they're in series, they all have the same current. And so it's 6 volts divided by 100 ohms, which is 0.06 amps. And so then we wanted to find just the voltage in this part of the circuit, not the battery part, not between A and B. And so we did the current, which is 0.06, times the resistance. Oh, sorry. Times this resistance, because those are also between A and B, and that's 0.12 volts. And then you do like the total voltage, which is given here, 6 volts minus 0.12 volts, and you get 5.6